These are the Mr. Penn quick clamps that I've been using this whole project to keep my 4x4s straight. So they've been under a lot of stress. They have held up just fine, plenty of clamping power, super easy to use just with one hand. I've got one on right now. I like the 2-pack, but they are strong, easy to use, and every bit as good as like an Irwin clamp or one of the name brands. So super happy with this. I got the 2-pack. I actually wish I would have gotten the 4-pack because I've been using them more than my big Jorgensen clamps on this project. They are just so easy to use. So if you're looking for some cheap, quick clamps that seem to be made pretty well, holding up for me just great, highly recommend these Mr. Penns.